Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Aakash Kandil just like this. For this you will need cardboard, colored transparent paper, plain A4 paper, a ruler, pencil, paper knife and glue. Now that we have organized everything we need, let's get started. Start by cutting 5 pieces of cardboard 10 by 20 centimeters each. Cut a pentagon with 10 centimeters on each side. Then take A4 paper and cut 5 strips of 2 by 20 centimeters each. Now take the rectangles that we cut earlier and draw shapes in the middle. I have drawn Diva and swastik since it's Diwali, but you can draw any shapes you like. Carefully cut the shapes with the paper knife. Take help from adults if you need it. When you are done, take the paper strips and glue them over the 2 cardboard rectangles. It'll look like this when you're done. Now glue this on top of the pentagon. It should fit perfectly. Take the colored transparent paper and carefully glue it around the whole structure. And there you have it. Your Aakash Kandil is ready. Wasn't it simple and fun? Now just put a candle or diya or LED string lights inside and just watch it glow. If you enjoyed this, please press the like button, give your comments and don't forget to share it with your friends.